हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान, अस्सलाम वालेकुम अंकल। आज एक नए वीडियो के साथ व्यूवर्स के लिए, और व्यूवर्स से रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें ताकि आपके पास नए आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच जाए। आज का मेरा सवाल है अंकल आपसे कि आपने काफ़ी ममालिक में सफ़र किया है, तो वहाँ के आप लोगों से भी मिले और वहाँ के बिज़नेस भी किया वहाँ पर और बिज़नेस डील्स भी की, तो आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा वहाँ पर? जी अंकल।
चले। अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान। ताहिर बड़ा अच्छा मौजूद लेकर आए हो भाई, क्योंकि ये सयाहत जिसको आप अंग्रेजी में ट्रैवलिंग कहते हैं, तो कोशिश ये होगी कि आपको मैं इसको कुछ इसका हिस्सा अंग्रेजी में बताऊं, फिर कुछ उर्दू में बता दूं, और उसके बाद कुछ स्पेनिश ज़बान में बताऊं जिसको आप स्पेनी ज़बान कहेंगे, क्योंकि मैं इन मुख्तलिफ कल्चर्स में घूमता फिरता रहा हूँ और तकरीबन 35.5 साल 36 कह लें मुल्क से बाहर गुजारे। तो ये आप लोगों के लिए एक बहुत ही मालूमाती वीडियो है, इसको आपने ज़रूर देखना है और मिस नहीं करना। सो आई एम स्विचिंग टू इंग्लिश। Tourism. Tourism is so important for any country which is a growing up country and have exotic sceneries, or you can call exotic language. Why exotic language? Because exotic language is the language which is not spoken by the whole world like English or like any other bigger languages. So the culture keep changing when people are introverted, when they believe that what they are doing is just right, what they are speaking, what they are eating is just okay because they are so close knit community. You call them close knit community when it comes to tourism. So let's say I would be talking a little bit about the countries I have been traveling and living. I'll start from the Caribbean islands, the Caribbean Peninsula. My first trip was through Europe to America, and from America to the Caribbean. That's Dominican Republic. Caribbean, the country I have gone many years ago as a student. I got an admission there. But in the back of my mind was, how could be a culture which is on the other side of the world, which is on the other side of the hemisphere. For example, we belong to the East, and all these countries come in the Western world, the Latin America, Europe, North America, Canada, and so on. So I went to the Caribbean. When I got there as a student, what I found out, the language of that country, Dominican Republic, is Spanish. Their official language is Spanish. Because they are the descendant of Columbus, who invented and who found out these lands and these areas, this continent which is called Latin America. So they got it and they named it, and this was one of the first country, or one of the first peninsula, Dominican Republic, and the next door country, Haiti, and both comprises the peninsula. And that's the peninsula of the Caribbean. The Spanish peninsula, where first Columbus came and landed his boat on the earth. So that is the first place in the year 1500, let's say the end of 16th century. I will keep explaining you why the languages and the cuisine and dress up and the mindset of the people, why is it so important to find out. Because if we just stay in one place, you become very monotonous. Your life become mono. That means one type of life. If you want to diversify it, you really have to go and learn the languages, learn the cultures, learn about cuisine, learn about the beautiful landscapes, the seascapes, the mountains, the minerals, and so many other things, what a culture and a country and the civic of a country can offer. So I would speak a little bit more about Latin America because those were the country where I stayed most of the time. And let's start from Dominican Republic, then I came to Panama and then stayed in Costa Rica for a longer amount of time. And all these three countries, which was the start of my travel or staying out of Pakistan, was the language I had to learn in the beginning, and that was Spanish. So in this video, I would give you like 5 or 6 very important things about this language. Maybe it will be helpful if you are deciding to go to Latin countries where Spanish is spoken. It's not a small language. It can be spoken in 30. It is spoken in 34 countries, including Spain, in Europe, and all Latin America, which comprises the Caribbean, the Central America, and the South America. So let's say I'll give you a couple of tips how to act as a tourist when you do not know the language. You just have to know. अब मैं उर्दू में थोड़ा सा बोलूँगा आपको कि भाई आप किस मुल्क के बाशिंदे हैं, आपको हमारी ज़बान आती है, अच्छा फिर आपने ये पूछना है कि भाई बस का अड्डा कहाँ है, कहाँ से मुझे बस मिल सकती है, कहाँ से मुझे टैक्सी मिल सकती है, किस जगह पर मैं जाकर खाना खा सकता हूँ. ये छोटी सी चीज़ें हम आपको चाहेंगे कि आपके जहन नशीन हो जाएं ताकि जब भी आप ट्रैवल करें, ये हमारी एक छोटी सी खिदमत है आपके लिए कि आपको मैं कुछ अल्फाज स्पेनिश ज़बान के इस वीडियो में सिखाता चलूँ. क्या हाल है, आपने सबसे पहले सलाम करना है और सलाम या हेलो कहने को या क्या हाल है कहने को स्पेनिश में आपने कहना है ओला. ओला, that means hello. Hello in English. Hola equals hello in English, and in Urdu, kaise ho. How are you? Hola is used for that. Then the other word, you can call it a sentence because it comprises 2 words. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué हाल है? How are you in English? क्या हाल है उर्दू में? ¿Cómo estás in Spanish? I'll repeat once more. ¿Cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? क्या हाल है? आपका क्या हाल है? Hello, आपका क्या हाल है? Hello, how are you? ये अंग्रेजी में हो जाएगा. Hola, ¿cómo estás in Spanish में. उसके बाद आप निकल गए, शहर में आ गए, एयरपोर्ट से शहर आ गए. एयरपोर्ट को स्पेनिश ज़बान में aeropuerto कहते हैं. Aeropuerto, aeropuerto, aeropuerto. Airport, airport, airport in English. हवाई अड्डा आपकी अपनी उर्दू ज़बान. उसके बाद आप शहर आ गए, आपने बस लेनी है क्योंकि आप इकोनॉमिक टूरिस्ट हैं, तो आपने पूछना है कि भाई बस का स्टेशन कहाँ है. ये तो उर्दू में, उर्दू बोलने वाला आपको मिलेगा नहीं वहाँ. अंग्रेजी में बोल रहा होगा आदि, अंग्रेजी बोल रहा होगा आदि, स्पेनिश बोल रहा होगा, तो वहाँ आपको पूछना पड़ जाएगा स्पेनिश में. तो भाई सीख लें, थोड़ा बहुत सीख लें. अगर इस प्रोग्राम को मैं एजुकेशनल साइट पर लेकर जाना चाहूँ, इस वीडियो को या 2, 3, 4 वीडियो जो हम सोच रहे हैं बनाने की, तो वो इंशाल्लाह आपको वो नॉलेज हम देना चाहेंगे. तो आपने ये सवाल करना है, ¿A dónde estás la parada de buses? ¿A dónde estás la parada de buses? ¿A dónde estás la parada de buses? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? So this is just the introduction of our program, which I do believe, and my colleagues who are trying to build up this channel and making these videos to serve you as a nation, to serve you as spectators or viewers, that we want to give you some knowledge. We are not going to speak just on one subject. We will make it a very, very different program. So, ¿a dónde está la parada de buses? ¿A dónde está la parada de buses? ¿A dónde estás la parada de buses? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Okay, after that, I want to eat something. I want to eat something. I want to eat something. Yo quiero comer algo. Yo quiero comer algo. Yo quiero comer algo. I want to eat something in English. I want to eat something in English. I want to eat something. आपकी उर्दू में हो जाएगा. मैं कुछ खाना चाहता हूँ. मैं कुछ खाना चाहता हूँ. मैं कुछ खाना चाहता हूँ. Chicken rice. Arroz con pollo. Chicken rice. Arroz con pollo. Chicken rice. Arroz con pollo. Rice and beans. Rice and beans. Rice and beans. Arroz y frijoles. Arroz y frijoles. Arroz y frijoles. ये मैंने आपको कुछ एग्जाम्पल दिए. इसको ज्यादा आगे बढ़ाएंगे दूसरी वीडियो में, ताकि आपको पता चले कि हम आपको कहाँ ले जाना चाहते हैं. ये तो एक मिसाल हो गई कि भाई आप जब सयाह बनते हैं तो उसके फवायद क्या है. आप जबानें सीखते हैं, सिविक्स सीखते हैं, लोगों के रहने के तौर तरीके सीखते हैं, उनके कल्चर को सीखते हैं, उनके लिबास के बारे में आपको पता चलता है, उनके खानों के बारे में पता चलता है, उनकी म्यूजिक के बारे में पता चलता है. तो मैं छोटी सी मिसाल देता हूँ आपको. स्पेनिश कंट्रीज में जहाँ मैं ज्यादा रहा हूँ, अभी मैं इसको थोड़ा सा एलाबोरेट कर रहा हूँ लैटिन अमेरिका के ऊपर, लातीनी अमेरिका जिसे कहेंगे आप अपनी उर्दू में. तो वहाँ की म्यूजिक जो बड़ी पसंदीदा है उसको साल्सा कहते हैं. साल्सा, it's a dance music. In Spanish it is called salsa. Salsa, Cuban salsa, Colombian salsa, Puerto Rican salsa. But the music in general, as genre, it is salsa. Salsa, salsa. The other one is merengue. Merengue, merengue. It's purely Caribbean from Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. It is found in Panama as well, but the main source of merengue is famous from Dominican Republic. Then comes cumbia. Cumbia is the music from Colombia. Cumbia, colombiana. Cumbia panameña from Panama. Cumbia venezolana from Venezuela. So these are the musics, the basic musics of the Caribbean. They're all dancing music, very fresh for happiness or for dance or for getting united, for getting together and having a good time. That's what these musics and these special genres are for. People to enjoy and have a good time and feel good, basically on the weekends, because they all work very hard during the week, but on the weekend they have a mindset to spend a lot of money, go to the beaches, enjoy life, go to the mountains, do the hiking. So that's the type of mindset these nations have. We are lacking this kind of things because we are so involved in making money and not spending it for the benefit of you and your family and giving them the happiness what they deserve and the satisfaction about life, that they should go to the beach, they should go to the mountains, they should go every weekend with their family to eat outside. That's what is very much found in the Western culture. Well, these are just a few things what I was explaining, and I'll just give you a geographical little map of the area. You should know what Latin America is all about. I'll give you the 8 countries of Central America, and I'm going to end up the video on this last information. And those 8 countries comprises Central America, और अगर मैं उर्दू में कहूँगा तो दरमियानी अमेरिका होगा, और लातीनी अमेरिका के वो 8 ममालिक हैं जिन्हें स्पेनिश में, पहले मैं तलफ़ुज़ बताता हूँ आपको उन मुल्कों का अपने स्पेनिश में किस तरह कहना है, और उसके बाद इंग्लिश में मैं उसको ख़त्म करूँगा. मेxico, Mexico, Mexico in Spanish, Mexico in English, Mexico in Spanish, Mexico in English, Belize in Spanish, Belize in English, Belize in Spanish, Belize in English, Belize in Spanish, Belize in English. Then third country, Guatemala, Guatemala in Spanish, Guatemala in English, Guatemala in Spanish, Guatemala in English. Then Honduras, Honduras in Espanol, in Spanish, Honduras in Espanol, Honduras in Espanol, Honduras in Spanish, Honduras in English, Honduras in English, Honduras in English. Then El Salvador, the fifth country, El Salvador, El Salvador in English, El Salvador in Espanol, El Salvador in English, El Salvador in Spanish, El Salvador in English. Then Nicaragua in Espanol, Nicaragua in English. It's the same. Nicaragua, Nicaragua, and Nicaragua again in Spanish, and Nicaragua in English. Then Costa Rica in Spanish. Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Because T is te in Spanish. The T of English is te in Spanish. The T of English is te in Spanish. Costa Rica. Costa Rica in Spanish and Costa Rica in English. Costa Rica, English. Costa Rica, English. Panama in Spanish. Panama in Spanish. Panama in Spanish. Panama in English. Panama in English. Panama in English. Thank you very much. This little information, and we'll keep going and keep giving you all the information through different angles, what travel is all about and what you learn and why it is necessary to do that. Pakistan, Zindabad, and this is the information for the country and for international friends if they enjoy our video and our program. Thank you very much, audience. Please do subscribe and enjoy these informative and educated videos. Thank you.